So the Maverick been busy sifting through the rubble and the starts and stops of the career of one of Jamaica's brightest young athletes in our brightest sport, track and field. You know we're talking about Christopher Taylor, right? One of the most outstanding athletes in the storied history of boys and girls champs. We know Taylor's journey through champs and that big injury in his final year of school. He's ultimately pulling up stumps and moving to the United States to live and train. But you know what I say? All along the way, the Maverick never quite gave up on the prospects of Taylor. So it brought great joy to see Taylor competing again, opening his season with a more than decent 45.73 at an indoor meet in Arkansas. Hope is now rekindled that Christopher Taylor will beat those daunting odds of being an outstanding Super Champs athlete right through the classes who will make the transition to senior success. I think this performance by Taylor has kept that door of possibility open. Importantly, he still has his focus and his desire. We hope he stays healthy and does enough to prevent his legacy from being defined by dominating champs and wrangling with the physics teacher at Calabar over the whereabouts of a mattress.